Hello guys, welcome to Eben Media once again. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to play the Fi, Ti, Mi, La chord progression in the key of F, in our usual key. Okay. And in the key of F, you know our major scale. Alright, so we are going to play this Fi, Ti, Mi, okay, Fi, Ti, Mi chord progression. It's a very popular passing chord that most Ghanaian players, keyboard players do play when they are playing the contemporary Ghanaian worship songs. Okay, so we are going to master this chord progression. So before I enter into the breakdown, kindly do subscribe to the channel if you happen to be a new viewer. And to the returning viewers, thank you for your time and your support. God bless you so much, and I really appreciate it. So we are doing this in our key F. Okay, so in key F, this is our Fi note. This is our Fi in the key of F. The B key is our Fi, and then our T is the E note. Fi, T, and then our Mi is the A key. Okay, so Fi, T, Mi. So kind of minor 2, 5 to the A. Okay, so in the key of A, this is our 2, this is our 5, this is our 1. Okay, so Fi, Ti, Mi. Now pay attention to the key or the note we are resorting to. We are resorting to the Mi or the Mi. Okay, so our Mi is the A. So the moment you play the Fi, Ti, Mi, it means that you want to play a progression to the Mi. Okay, it means you want to play a progression to the Mi. And then this is how I play the Fi. Okay, so I play the Fi this way. Left hand is doing a B note. And then right hand is doing a G sharp, B, and then F. G sharp, B, F. So basically I do La, Ti, so La, Ti, then I play Fi. This is our Fi. Okay, so it's very simple. This is our Fi. Okay. And this is our T. So T we are doing right hand, E, G sharp, B, and a D. E, G sharp, B, and a D. And the left hand is doing a T note. Okay. So you can choose to drop the B note. You can still add it. So this Fi, and then Mi you can do. Right hand is doing E flat, a G, and a C. E flat, G, and a C. And left hand is doing the Mi note. Okay, so La, Ti, okay, da, da, da. For the Mi, okay, so that is Fi, Ti, Mi. Or better still, you can do the Mi this way. Left hand can do A, F, A, so kind of A minor 6. And the right hand will do C, F, G, C. So you can get your Mi this way, okay? Or you can still play this. to play a fee, T, mi. It means that we are playing this passing chord to take us to the 3 chord. That is our mi. Okay, so let me take some few songs and then I'm going to fix it in. And then you china, what is anya, utiara, now sacha, danina, yeah, go to sorry, yeah, go to sorry. You see how I applied it? So I use this one in the context of the turnaround. Yeah, go to sorry. Yeah, go to sorry. All right. So in this song, we only progress to the mean when there is a turnaround. Yeah, go to sorry. Basically, we owe me, then to a la, then to a 2. To a 5, then to a 1 chord again. That is the basic one for the turnaround. Yeah, go to sorry. Yeah, go to sorry. Whoa. You see, we are on the 3 now. So, yeah, go to sorry. Yeah, go to sorry. Whoa. You see, yeah, go to sorry. Whoa. Yeah, go to sorry. Whoa. Yeah, go to sorry. Yeah, go to sorry. So, anytime you want to progress to a 3 chord, in this context, we are using a turnaround. Yeah, go to sorry. Oh, this it's a kind of thing that the Pentecost church usually do. Okay, they take a song and then they'll be turning around, doing turnaround on the song. So let me take another song that is going to progress to a 3 chord straight. Okay. So minyera senior menina, I'm on the 1. Now I'm Shri, then 2 or 4. Mashwadi, a G7 to a 5 chord, then 2. Me want 5, Yeswa, so basically it is me want 5, Yeswa, then 2 me want, okay. Then to a la. So you have to fill in that space with a feet me, that is kind of a 2, 5 to the 1. Okay, so me wa Yeswa, me wa zinina, oso me bo jenaze. Okay, so that is it. If you want to progress to the 3 chord, instead of doing the basic me, you can fill in with so la ti then fi ti mi. Okay, it is very simple. So minyeria senior meni na rafo namo shri yeswa mashwadi na. Some boat jenaze ina miwa Yeswa. Okay, so on the miwa Yeswa part you can do fa, then to a so, basically to a mi. So why don't we do a fi ti then to the mi? Okay, so me wa fa Yesua, me wa Yesua, me wa zinina, oh Yesu, oh ini Yesu, oh so me bo chinazi. Assumibo, turn around. Assumibo, chinazi, nina. Okay. Assumibo, chinazi, nina. So you have to find that space or that gap. Okay. Anytime you're progressing to the three, the mi, or this one, you can just play. So this one is kind of F diminished chord. Okay, kind of F diminished chord. So when you bring this note here, you are getting this. Okay, so it's an inversion of this. So F, T. But it's very simple for beginners to also play. So to get that heavy bass sound, you can add the lower note. Instead of doing only this, you can do octave on the left hand. So, me wa Yesua, me wa Yesua, me wa Yesua the Timina, me wa Zinina. Okay, so that is a fee T me. It is very simple. Now let me take another Ghanaian song. Okay, this one is very simple. Yeshirawo Asafu Yehowa. So Asafu Yehowa, we are going to progress to a 3. So 1, Yeshirawo, 12, 4. Asafu Yehowa, Oyako, then to a 5, then to a 1. So let me try and fix in there. Fi TV. Yeshirawo, Asafu. So Yeshirawo to a 4. Yehowa. Okay. So from a 1, then to a 4. Okay. Yeshirao Asafu Yehowa. You can even omit the 4 and then progress straight to a Fi, then to a T, then to the Mi. Okay. Yeshirao Asafu Yehowa. Oh yeah, Asafu Yehowa. Oh yeah, Okay, so anytime you are progressing to the 3, you just have to play the Fi, T, then result to the 3 chord. Okay. Fi, T, Mi. Yeshirawo, Asafu, Yehowa. So, Asafu, a Fi, T, into a 3 chord. So it's very simple. You have to just find the space where the song is going to progress to the Mi. Okay, so to progress to the Mi, you cannot just move from a 1 to a 4, then to a Mi. Okay, so you have to sound kind of advanced a bit by playing the Fi, then to the T, then to the mi. So kind of feelings to, make the strings sound professional. Okay, you don't have to sound basic or dull on the strings. You can use the fi, ti, mi to enhance your play. All right, so do what to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Do what to also leave a comment right below in the comment section. Like the video and then share it.